let's play a pattern. It's one of the patterns in my book, and you may find it a few other places in and out of syncopation, the syncopation book. Anyway, I'm just stepping on quarter notes, and I'm gonna sort of bring that in a second, but I'm gonna just sort of play it. Anywhere I play that. Okay, so then when I step on the hi-hat on quarter notes, I'm not making, I'm just sort of, it happening, okay? Kind of sounds really cool. It just sort of happens as we're doing the stepping, and then I'm just basically taking that same pattern. That's it. Have fun. It's a simple pattern. MichaelIDrums.com is where you will find a lot of this stuff in my new book. Check it out. There's some downloads for $9.99. Cheap. And have fun, man. Have a great rest of the weekend.